Another visit to feed the scope of education and research in early childhood in Palestine was paid to Islamic University by the team of the University of South-Eastern Norway as part of a joint project with IUG and Hebron University.
Today and this time we are here to establish a master degree together with Gaza Islamic University and with my university, our university, which is University of South-Eastern Norway.
A lecture on the Norwegian experience in the area of kindergarten in light of the National Plan of Norway was given to the IUG academic staff in the first day of the visit.
We are offering through this project a number of scholarships in Master in Pedagogy and in Master in Human Rights and Citizenship, plus one PhD program in Pedagogy. And the reason for this is this should support the overall aim of this project, which is establishing a Master in Early Childhood Education at IUG.
In the second day of the visit, the USN team and IUG team did field visits to several kindergartens in Gaza, studying the challenges that hinder the process of education of early childhood. As a result, they decided to team up for widening the early childhood research scope.